Smartling's plugin for Adobe Illustrator enables designers to send content for translation directly from Illustrator. Loading the Smartling plugin, the user can see the Smartling palette directly within Illustrator. To submit content for translation, simply selecting the menu, Translation, Submit Translations. This enables the designer to select which layer and which content they wish to send for translation. The user can select all on the layer or just specific elements for translation. Once they've selected what needs to be translated, they can submit that within a new translation request and then for specific languages. The designer can also pre-authorize the content for translation, starting the translation process as soon as that content has been submitted. On submission, the content is uploaded, as well as a visual context, a screenshot of that page directly attached to those translations. This creates the job within Smartling. Leveraging the Smartling plugin, the designer can see at all times in the Smartling window the progress of their content within the translation workflow. Within the Smartling translation dashboard, project managers and translators can see the full details of the entire translation process. This gives them a granular view of understanding exactly where the content is within the workflow, how much content is being translated, as well as any cost estimates that are related to that particular job. Translators navigating to the Smartling CAD tool are not only going to be able to see the context and the translations that need to be translated, they're also going to be able to see all of the relevant formatting to ensure that line breaks are maintained as they work through the translations. As the content gets translated, that content can then be submitted back to complete the translation workflow. The translation will then update within the Smartling dashboard to show that those translations are complete. This will also directly update within the Adobe Illustrator plugin. You can now see within the Adobe plugin, the designer is seeing that those translations are complete. They simply have to select Apply Translations. This will duplicate the translation layout and apply the translations to the new file. The designer can then adjust the translations to fit the design as required for that specific layout, making the Adobe Illustrator plugin simple and easy to use for submitting and retrieving translations. Thank you.